Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. So let's begin with morning meeting. Oh, hold on. Malfunction.
The Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. The Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Days of the week. Today is Wednesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. The month is May. What is a month? May. Good job. So today is Wednesday, May the 13th, 2020. Oops, my bad, guys. It's the 13th. The weather is partly sunny, so it is still going to continue to be around 89 to 90 degrees outside, so it'll be partly warm. And remember, just drink a lot of water because it's getting really, really hot outside, and you want to stay hydrated. It is very important you drink a lot of water. For our social skills lesson, what is one thing you are most excited about summer? I'm excited about going to the beach. So I want to go to the beach and get some sun, get some tan. What are you excited about? That's awesome. Sounds like lots of fun. So for today's agenda, we're going to be some of you are going to be working on science and some of you are going to be working on reading. Just remember, you complete all your work. If you have any questions, please contact me. Let's begin.